Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I have a very exciting video. I got the Laura Lee Los Angeles most expensive subscription box or mystery box, and I'm going to unbox it for you and give away a lot of the stuff inside of it to you guys. Before we begin and talk about the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, give it a notification bell click, do all the YouTube things, that way you are alerted when I post new videos. And without further ado, let's talk about how you can win a bunch of makeup. So keep on watching to see what the giveaway is going to have inside of it. Also, if you can hear those trucks outside, I really don't know what they're doing, but I want to film this and get it up for you guys, so just bear with me and ignore the sound back there. But if you want to be entered into the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You also have to leave a comment with your Instagram handle or some way for me to contact you down below. Could be an email, could be Twitter. Leave me something to get into contact with you and you're entered. So just subscribe, leave a comment with your Instagram or some way for me to contact you to be entered into the giveaway. To get an additional entry, follow me on Instagram. So if you want to be entered once, leave a comment, be subscribed. If you want to be entered twice, leave a comment, be subscribed, and follow me on Instagram. If you want to see what's in this, you want to see what I'm keeping, you want to see what you guys are getting, keep on watching. So it's a big box and there's some paper in it. All right, this is really cool. So there's some things right on top. Let's see. So the first thing is this Laura Lee Beauty Sponge, which I will probably keep because I've never tried this before. It has a flat surface for baking. Let's take it out and feel it. So I know Laura Lee was controversial a couple of years ago, and I love her. I'm not in any way condoning the things that she was kind of in the fire for. I think those are very serious things. But in terms of YouTube apology, YouTube mistakes, I think she is probably the one that has bounced back and is shown making a visible change. So I can appreciate that. Here is the sponge. It's super thin and it feels like it will expand. It's got that flat side for baking. Oh, that'll fit right in there, like right. Wow. Interested in this. Excited to have that. The next thing I see on top is going to be something for you guys. This is the Glazed Bronze Liquid Lipstick Trio. I actually have this, all three of these. They look like this. Here are the three colors. It's in the shade Coral Pop, Mai Tai, and Cabana. So I'm putting these right back in here because I own these and this will be going in the giveaway. The next thing in here I think I'm keeping, and it is this beautiful mirror. I don't want to blind you guys, but here it is, and it has a magnify side and just a normal mirror side, and I think that is so good. I have one handheld mirror. It is a orange Jeffree Star mirror. And speaking of YouTube drama, that is one person that I do not support anymore because of how he handles his shortcomings and his cancellations and his criticisms. So he makes great makeup, but I just can't support someone like that, especially when they show no character growth. So I'm excited because I didn't want to use his handheld mirror in my makeup videos anymore, but I did use it every day to get really close and see, the details. So I'm really excited to have this, and I can actually use this in videos again. So I'm very excited for this, and I think this is the first time she's launching anything like this. So that is exciting. All right, the last freestanding thing in the box is this. I believe it's one of her magnetic palettes. Yeah, it's just a standard magnetic loose shadow palette. I'll be keeping this. I like this a lot. The next thing in here is in this giant makeup bag, which this will be part of the giveaway, the bag itself, and I like it. It's got a handle, it's got a soft touch microfiber kind of feel. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks like it will not get dirty. You could just wipe that right off. Oh, here's a little card about the sponge. The Laura Lee Beauty Sponge is double-sided multi-purpose sponge that allows you to set, contour, and blend all in one. It works great with powders, liquids, and creams. Your makeup will be left with a flawless, streak-free finish. Wet sponge to expand. All right, I'm really excited about that. I'm all for a new sponge. This is full of product, so let's take a look and see what's inside there. It's pretty good box so far. I like what I've received. If I didn't have like this, I'd be a little more excited. But since I'm doing a giveaway, this is a really good item to give away. So you guys should be excited. Wow, oh my God. There are a lot of single shadows in here. Wow. All right, I'm gonna open these and put them in this palette so we can take a look. We have this shade Bridge, which is like gold. We have Silly Billy, which is like a bronze or maybe like a darker bridge color. Actually, they're very different. This is like almost rose gold. This is gold, like bronze gold. We have the shade Gimmick, which is like a greeny, like silvery green, which she's known for saying the word gimmick, so that's funny. Then we have Copper Hopper, which is a copper shade. The first matte I'm seeing is in the shade Subscribe, which is like this nice kind of light cranberry, not so red, but it's like a plummy cranberry, which I'm about. This one's beautiful. This is Grape Juice, and it looks just like grape juice. This is a metallic purple. There's a lot in here. I didn't expect this. This is a Night Sky, and I probably will get the least use out of this. It's so dark. I'm not a big fan, but it looks beautiful. And the last one is Just Shook, a perfect like setting down primer eyeshadow. So I got 12 single shadows and this big palette, and they are stunning. I'm so excited about this. I've never tried the single shadows before, so really excited to have these and to have this big palette. I do have a small Coastal Scents one that I have a few Coastal Scents single shadows in it, so I might just put it in this and get rid of that other palette. Look how beautiful they look. I mean, can I make a complete look out of these? Probably not. There's only one like matte other than the like bone shade here, but I think it's really cool, and it's in a mystery box. You can't really complain, you know? It's part of the mystery. I'll be keeping that. I'm very excited for that. Can't believe she sent 8. Also, that's crazy. The next thing that I see in here is also something I have. It is one of her mini palettes, and it's in Party Animal, and this one is you know, this one's a little loud. It looks like this, but I actually love these. I did a couple looks using like these super vibrant like highlight looking shades like this. These two right here, this yellow called It's a Party and Dranks. I used that in like a funky look I did before, and they blended really, really well. And I did use these two for a like galaxy look. I'll put it up right here. And they blended really, really well. So this will be going in the giveaway. Mine is beaten to hell, but I have one, so this one will be for you guys. The next thing in here is crazy. It is the Glazed Bronze. It is both palettes. So there's 2 palettes in here. It is the light to medium and medium to deep. I have the glazed, which is the light to medium, and I use this a bunch too. It is so good. It is so good. So this will be going in the giveaway. I use it. I abuse it. I love it. The only thing I don't really like is the pink shade for like a blush topper, but everything else has like a serious dent in the pan. So I'm so excited for one of you guys to get to experience this. This will be going in the giveaway. And because I don't think I will ever be able to put this on, this will also be going in the giveaway. You guys can figure out something to do with it if it doesn't match your skin tone. And if it does match your skin tone, well, here you go. You get a beautiful medium to deep highlighter palette. You can use them for eyeshadows. You can use them for so much. I just don't need any of these colors for eyeshadows, so this will also be going in the giveaway. This is a awesome giveaway, everyone. Make sure you follow the rules and get into it. Crazy that she sent like the double pack. Like, that is awesome. I'm a sucker for mystery boxes. I get so excited. It's like gambling. It's like gambling a little bit, because I'm like, I gotta get it because I don't know what's in there. Like, what if I get great things in there? So I may or may not have a little bit of a mystery box addiction. The final thing in here is the entire Nudie Patootie palette, which is amazing. This is one of my favorite palettes that I've ever used. I've done prom makeup with this for on people. I've done brides with this. It is stunning. Mine has pan, mine is beat to hell. Look at this. It's super neutral, but it is so pretty. You can get some deep looks, you can get some warm looks, you can get simple looks. This shade right here, Uncover, right here, is beautiful on brides. Beautiful. I have one and I don't need it, so this will be going in the giveaway. I didn't really keep a lot for myself because I have a lot of these products, and I was hoping maybe getting the mystery box I'd get maybe the Nudie 2 or the cat's pajamas, and I didn't, but that's fine because I wanted to do a giveaway anyway, and here it is. So you're going to be getting the makeup bag in the giveaway, and inside we'll have the 3 liquid lipsticks, the mini party animal palette, the whole Nudie Patootie palette, and two highlighter palettes, and these are amazing. So make sure you follow the rules to get into the giveaway. We'll go over them one more time. All right, to go over the rules to get into it one more time, it is: be subscribed to the channel, leave a comment down below with a way for me to reach you, an email, Instagram, Twitter, some way for me to reach you, and that's it. So subscribe, leave a comment with a way for me to reach you, and if you want an additional entry, so you want your entry to be counted twice, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will be checking both, so make sure you are definitely subscribed and make sure you are following me on Instagram if you want that second entry. This video is going up on Wednesday, April 14th. You have exactly 1 week to enter. 1 week to enter. So that will be April. The deadline is April 21st. I will be picking a winner on April 21st and reaching out to them, and they are going to win everything in this bag and the bag itself, and it's a lot, and it's really, really awesome. So make sure you're subscribed. If you haven't tried Laura Lee Los Angeles before, this is a good way to try kind of everything that she has. So if you're interested, it's just a simple subscribe and a comment. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had a great time unboxing all this. It's like an adrenaline rush. I love it. Make sure you are entering the giveaway if you're interested. Make sure you're subscribing, liking, and hitting the notification bell. Even if you don't want to be in the giveaway, I just appreciate it all. Thank you guys for subscribing, for checking it out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good luck.